Okay, just another quick video on this one because this is a different question, but on the same topic. Understanding the properties of the chi-square distribution. Just a quick recap. Chi-square distribution, depending on the degrees of freedom, it's going to have a right tail to it. Okay, you might see it like that, or as the degrees of freedom starts getting a little bigger, it still has a right tail. It starts looking like it's getting close to the bell-shaped curve. So we're supposed to select the options that are not a characteristic of the chi-square distribution. So this option here, as the degrees of freedom increases, the chi-square curves look more and more like a normal distribution. So this up here was like degrees of freedom, I don't know, maybe 4, and this is degrees of freedom, maybe 12. As the degrees of freedom gets larger, the chi-square distribution starts to approximate the normal distribution. Okay, so this is true, so we're not going to check that because we're looking for the options that say which of the following is not a characteristic. Okay, the next one, the chi-square curve is skewed to the left. Now that's not true because we just demonstrated that it's skewed to the right. The chi-square curve is symmetrical. It's not, right, because you can't find a vertical line to cut this guy in half and make it the left side equal the right side, so that's not true. We're going to check that off. And then the total linearity end of the chi-square curve is equal to the degrees of freedom. No, we never said anything like that, right? So, yeah, I guess that's it. Those are the basics of what the chi-square distribution looks like and its properties.